Hi. I just went outside and we were hunting. Well, kind of hunting. We were watching outside and deer have been coming for like a month now and no deer. We didn't even see one.
And that is boring.
Yeah, now I'm really hungry.
Me too.
So we're gonna try again tomorrow.
Yeah, extra tomorrow.
Yep.
Day 2. One hour later. Two hours later. Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Excellent, you did it, you did it. You took it right down. Oh, you did it.
Oh, Dad.
You did it. You did it. You did it. Oh my God.
You don't know how scared that was.
You did it.
I killed him.
Look at that.
I killed him.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Look at what your
Let's go
sister
see.
did. Look what your sister did.
Oh my
Jay.
god.
Look at it's still twittering.
I know, but still.
Rack another one in. Rack another one in, quick.
Why? I can't
Just in
shoot him
case.
again. I can't shoot
Rack
him
it
again.
up just in case. Come on, rack it. Push down.
Push down.
All the way. Now pull it up again. All the way. Okay. Now put it on safety.
I don't know how.
Okay.
You do it. Can I see the camcorder?
Yes.
Oh my god.
You got your first buck.
Oops, I did.
It wasn't the 7.
Oh my god.
It was spiky.
It was a buck. Dad, I don't think I need to shoot him again. I think he's dead.
You did.
Oh my gosh. Can I see?
Shut it up.
I don't know how to turn it off.
Good job, Lauren. Your first buck. Let's go get him.
I'm scared.
Come on. Walk around here.
Is he gonna like kick me?
He's dead.
Can we come?
Come on over.
Let me see. Is he tiny?
No, he's not tiny.
Oh, look at his horns.
Yeah.
Look at the heck of those horns. Look at those horns. Oh my god.
That's the first rack.
Can I grab it? His rack's tiny. Dad, can I grab it?
Sure, hold it.
I'm scared to hold him. Oh, look how big this
Grab
guy
his ears so I can see his rack, buddy.
Okay. Ew. Look at his ears.
Lean down. Lean down. Not his horns.
Can I put the gun down?
No.
Oh, you can see
Just
it like
a second.
at his eye. Ew.
Look at
So
that.
bloody, man. I'm glad it wasn't short and painless, you know?
Well, I see where you shot it, right?
I can't touch him.
Yes, reach down, grab his ears.
Can't.
Come on. Show me, big buck hunter.
Daddy, I'm not a big buck hunter. Don't.
Come on.
You shot him.
I'm scared he's gonna like wake up.
He's not going to wake up. Oh, you did not. He is not going to wake up.
How many points does he have?
He's a 2-point. It's a spike horn.
Oh, that's
Good job, sis. Will you come grab him and then I can't just grab him, Dad. I'll just put my hands on yours. Alright, grab him. Grab his ears. Okay. Don't pull on his ears too hard though.
got it.
Hold on.
You put a bug on it. No, really.
Can you pick him up, Jay?
I feel with his antlers.
Here.
Okay, his.
Look at that smile, and there's the rack. Look at that buck.
He's tiny, right?